Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Robux with Amazon Pay. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox and you need to log in into your account on the Roblox, and once you log in you simply need to click here Robux and click on buy Robux, and here you can see that you are on this page. So let's suppose I want to buy for 100 in $4.99. So click here, and here you can see different payment methods. So you simply need to, here you can see credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem Roblox card and other. So click on other and secure payments. So once you are on that page, wait for few seconds so that the page will be load. Here you can see credit, debit card or Amazon Pay. So select Amazon Pay. Here you can see payment via Amazon Pay, email to get a receipt. So it is optional. If you want to add, then you need to click on continue, and on this page you simply need to click on continue and you need to pay, because here you can see that I do not have any card currently, that's why this arrow is showing, but you simply need to click on continue and pay. So this is the process that you need to follow to buy Robux with Amazon Pay. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.